Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Subaru Impreza WRX. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter H4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and a 5-speed manual transmission. This Subaru has less than 59,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.